Hello guys, welcome to my channel Global Information. I will provide you different information about Facebook banner size. We will discuss about Facebook banner size, group Facebook banner, images, etc. Facebook banner size for event cover, page and group Facebook banner image size in 2021. Let's start content. First of all, first point we will discuss about Facebook profile banner size. Second, Facebook cover banner size. Facebook business page banner size. Third, Facebook group banner size. Fourth, Facebook event banner size. Fifth, Facebook banner size in inches. And sixth point is conclusion. Like with any other social media platform, there are several different rules and standards. When it comes to Facebook banner size, the difference in dimensions could be found when it comes to cover photos, profile photos, group covers, business pages, and so on. Knowing your limits when choosing the best size for Facebook banner is the key to creating your most successful banner. We will try to go over most of the Facebook banner types that could be found one by one, starting with the Facebook profile banner size. Facebook profile banner size. Your profile picture dimensions are as basic as it gets. It should be a square with a Facebook banner picture size of 170 by 170 pixels. This is how this image is going to get shown when using a regular desktop but mobile devices are working with different dimensions. That's why your profile picture Facebook mobile banner size is going to be shown on 128 to 128 pixels, which is slightly smaller than the original. However, even though your uploaded pictures should be a square one, Facebook shows it is a round shape. To counteract that, your Facebook profile picture should have face at the center of the screen. It is not be difficult if it's your own picture. Alternatively, when it comes to your business Facebook logo, instead of your own profile picture, should make sure that the logo is created and nothing would be cut off by Facebook on cropping. Secondly, both personal and business logo centering issues might be resolved using an empty circle with a colored border to your profile picture in the graphic editor. That shows you will be able to center the picture correctly and delete the circle before saving the result of your efforts. Facebook cover banner size, Facebook business page banner size. Facebook cover images are a great multifunctional tool for both personal pages and business accounts. However, the importance of getting the correct Facebook business page banner size is much bigger than with the personal page cover. Like this picture, the content of your Facebook business page cover is not the only part that is so of vital importance. There are also the content placement within the banner and the correct Facebook business banner size. To think of each of them is as important as the other one. The placement of the content is important because even though the basic Facebook cover banner size is 820 by 360, the contents of your banner should be created and placed in middle of the banner. The main reason for that is the way Facebook displays this particular image in different clients. Desktop client, for example, shows the entire image with 820 pixels, but it also cuts a bit from both the upper and the lower size of a banner. With that in mind, we can safely say that the regular desktop Facebook cover banner is 820 by 312 pixels, since 24 pixels are cut out from both the upper and the lower parts of your banner. Thank you. Thank you for watching.